Hello everyone, welcome to TechOrbit. If you are looking to learn SQL in a simple, practical and beginner-friendly way, you are in right place. Let's make SQL easy to understand with real-world examples. So, without any further delay, let's get started. Okay, today's session is SQL. We want to start SQL with a strong base. Okay, SQL in the sense structure query language. Before going into the SQL, we must understand what is data. Data is everywhere around us. Whenever we use mobile phone, shop online, watch YouTube, use Instagram or make a bank payment, we create data. For example, your name, your phone number, email, product details, customer information, all these are called as data. Okay. One question I want to ask you, why can't we use Excel? Because imagine a small shop with 50 customers. Then Excel is enough. But if an Amazon has 30 million customer details, can one Excel file can store all this data? Obviously no. Excel becomes slow, searching becomes difficult, managing data becomes difficult. That's why companies use databases. Okay, let's know about database. A database is a simply a place that where data is stored in an organized way. Think of it like a digital cupboard. Instead of keeping clothes, we keep customer details, employee details, orders, products, and sales. That is called as database. Okay, now the main hero of the session came, SQL. What is SQL? Now we have data inside the database. Okay. How do we talk with the database? We have database. In the database, we have some data. We have discussed previous. Now, how we talk with the database? So that this SQL was introduced. What is SQL? SQL stands for Structure Query Language. It is a language used to communicate with the database. If you want to talk with database, then we will ask the help for SQL to talk with that database. Imagine your friend speaks only Hindi and you speaks only English. You need a common language to communicate to each other so that we can similarly we cannot directly talk to the database. We can't talk to the database directly. SQL acts as a communication language. That's the SQL. Why we use SQL now? Say because we can't directly interact with the database now, so that we use it to talk to SQL to communicate. Okay. Now coming to the server. What is server? A server is a powerful computer that stores and provides data to many users. Unlike our personal laptop, a server is designed to work 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Okay. This server can use 24 hours. It can handle thousands and even millions of users at the same time. Okay, why do we need a server? Imagine a YouTube stored all its data in a normal computer. Millions of people watch videos every second. A normal laptop cannot handle that much traffic. That's why companies use powerful servers. Due to that powerful servers, we can manage any amount of data. That's why YouTube was using that. Many of the companies also use the servers. Okay, coming to the DBMS. DBMS stands for Database Management System. Okay, database is only storage, it stores data. Okay, previously we discussed about database. No, it's only for storage purpose. It stores some data. But who manages the data? DBMS. DBMS manages the data. DBMS stands for Database Management System. It is a software that manages the database. Example, think of a library. The books are The database. Okay, books are database. The librarian is the DBMS. Librarian is DBMS. The librarian stores books, finds books, updates books, and removes books. Similarly, DBMS stores, updates, deletes, and searches the data. Examples of DBMS are MySQL, SQL Server, Postgres Server, Oracle are the examples of DBMS. Types of databases. There are different types of database. Some of them are listed below. First, we will learn about relational database. Relational database is nothing but stores data in rows and columns. It will stores data in rows and columns format. Example, MySQL, SQL Server, Postgres Server. Coming to second one, document database. Document database is nothing but stores data as documents. It will stores data in document format. For example, MongoDB. And now key value database. Key value database is stores data as key and value format. Example, Redis. Redis is an example for key value database. Now coming to graph database. Graph database is that stores relationships between the data. Example, Neo4j. Neo4j is the example for graph database. Coming to column database. Column database stores column by column. Example, Apache Cassandra. Now, database structure. Now we should learn about what's the database structure. Okay, a database contains many tables. A table contains rows and columns like this. Like this we have rows and columns. Columns tells us what information is stored and rows represent each and every record. Now see here Michael, his last name was Mouse and his address was so and so and his city was so and so and his age was 73. This represents the complete record of a person. A single value inside the table is called a cell. Here we can see the my key. It's a cell in a table. It's a small box that is called as a cell. The primary key uniquely identifies each and every row. That's all about today's session. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe my channel.